Foxglove. Foxgloves tolerates full sun or light shade. Flower spike reaches 30 inches high. The tubular flowers appear in June or July and continue to bloom until fall. Needs at least 1 inch of rain per week. Apply a thin layer of compost and a thickness of 2 inches of mulch to retain moisture. When planting, set plants out in spring or fall and 1 to 2 feet apart. Marigolds. Marigolds needs full sun. Takes around 45 days to flower after seeding. When sowing seeds, cover 1/4 in pot soil and 2 centimeters apart. Soil needs to be well drained, fertile, and moist. To extend the flowering period, add potash fertilizer. Height is 6 inches to 4 feet. Spread is 6 inches to 3 feet. To encourage more flowering, remove spent flower heads. Zinnias. Zinnias prefer full sun. Blooms during summer. Zinnias grow quickly and blooms heavily. Needs humus, rich, fertile, and well-drained soil. pH range at 5.5 to 7.5. Seeds should be 1/4 inch deep and 4 to 24 inches apart. Adding mulch will reduce weeds and help retain moisture. Remove dead flower blooms to encourage new blooms. If transplanting, space 4 to 6 inches apart for miniature size. 1 to 2 feet apart for giant varieties. Yarrow. Yarrows grows 2 to 4 feet tall. Blooms midsummer to fall. Soil needs to be loosened to the depth of 12 to 15 inches. Mix in a layer of compost 2 to 4 inches. Location needs full sun and well-drained soil. Needs 1 inch of rain per week. Apply mulch early spring to reduce weeds and to retain moisture. Can tolerate hot and dry conditions. Divide every 3 to 5 years. Verbena. Verbena needs plenty of sunlight. Verbena can grow in poor soil but needs to be well drained. Compost or organic material will help improve well-drained soil. Pruning helps encourage more blooms after the initial bloom. The diameter of the hole needs to be twice the size of the root ball. When planted, water at the base every day until the roots are established. Fertilize during late spring. Plants should be spaced 10 to 12 inches apart. Geraniums. Geraniums need well-drained soil. Blooms early to midsummer. Attracts bird flies and bees. Soil needs to be rich. Slightly acidic soil is ideal. Shearing the plant back after blooming will encourage reblooming. Add a 10-10-10 liquid fertilizer during the growing season every 3 weeks. Drought tolerant and deer resistant.